Week 2, day 7, made it to the end of another week. Playing some basketball to finish out, and man, it's been so long since I played basketball and hung out with these guys, my buddies, and it's kind of cool because in a way I wasn't expecting to feel as energetic as I still do, like 6-7 days in, and so today's quick boost is simple, and that is your activities, your daily activities that you enjoy. That is your exercise. That is your workout. I feel like I've worked out, and I haven't even done my exercise box yet. And so man, I'm just having a great time. Enjoy life. Do what you enjoy, as long as it's physical, as long as it's active. Look at it as an added bonus. And the exciting thing about this handbook is that we get to kind of what we've been talking about all week, incorporating what we're doing as far as our workouts, our exercise blocks, our deep breathing, everything that we do throughout the week. We get to incorporate into our daily activities and see the benefits as well.
And I'd be remiss if I didn't promote the recovery process. So this is later on that day when I got home, and very simply just taking some ice cubes. I usually put it in a Ziploc bag if I have some handy. And then, I'll just sit it wherever the area of soreness was. For me, it was my right knee. And you just simply just hold it there in place, compress it, elevate it. And I would do this for about 10 to 15 minutes.